Looking for the best tools to stay organized and boost productivity? Whether you're managing a small team or handling large-scale projects, the right project management tool can make your life so much easier. Today, we're reviewing 8 of the best project management tools to help you decide which one suits your needs. First up is Trello. Known for its simplicity and visual appeal, Trello uses Kanban boards to help you manage tasks effectively. It's perfect for smaller teams or personal projects, and the free plan is packed with great features. For advanced options like automation, pricing starts at $5 per user per month. 2. Asana. Asana is another top contender. It offers a flexible interface with timelines, task lists, and even workload management. With integrations like Slack and Google Drive, it's great for medium to large teams. Pricing starts at $10.99 per user per month after the free tier. Next is Monday.com. Highly customizable and visually intuitive, this tool helps teams track progress and collaborate seamlessly. From marketing to IT, it caters to various industries. Plans start at $8 per user per month. 4. ClickUp. It is a feature-rich platform that claims to replace multiple apps in your workflow. With task management, docs, goals, and dashboards, it's perfect for those who need an all-in-one solution. It's free for personal use, with paid plans starting at $5 per user per month. 5. Jira. Jira is the go-to tool for software development teams. Designed with Agile and Scrum in mind, it's excellent for tracking bugs, sprints, and code releases. Pricing starts at $7.75 per user per month, with a free plan available for small teams. 6. Basecamp. For simplicity and team communication, Basecamp is a strong choice. It combines to-dos, file sharing, and message boards in one place. The pricing is straightforward at $15 per user per month, and there's a free version for personal use. 7. Smartsheet. Smartsheet combines project management with the familiarity of spreadsheets. It's great for teams that love Excel but need advanced automation and collaboration features. Pricing starts at $7 per user per month. 8. Notion. And finally, Notion. It's highly flexible and combines note-taking, databases, and task management into one platform. Great for both individuals and teams, it's free for personal use, with team plans starting at $8 per user per month. So, there you have it, 8 powerful project management tools to streamline your workflow. Whether you're looking for simplicity, customization, or industry-specific features, there's a tool for every need and budget. Which one's your favorite? Drop a comment below.